How to split screen on Fortnite Xbox. First of all, load up Fortnite with your regular controller. Then once you're in the pre-game lobby here, grab your second controller, then press and hold the Xbox button. Of course, for this, you will need to have the controller already connected to the Xbox. So there's a link in the description below that will show you how to do that. Once you've done it, you can click on Add New on the pop-up on the left-hand side, where you can add a new account, sign in to an existing one, or create a new one. Or you can just go ahead and click like I did there on an account that's already on my Xbox. So you will need to have that secondary Xbox account. You can't just add like a guest or anything like that. So that is something that will need to be done. So either an existing account where you can log into it or create a new one. Then once you're on there, if you haven't played Fortnite on that account before, you will need to go through like this. You can go ahead and create a Fortnite account, put in your details, etc. Or already log in if you have it. Once you've gone through those steps, you'll see that account will have joined the lobby like so. You can go ahead and click on A to say got it. And then you will see two characters in that Fortnite pre-game lobby there. That's when you know when it's kind of completed. Then you'll be able to go ahead and press Y to go ahead and load in to a game of Fortnite as so. Then you'll see there it will lock in to the lobby where at the top you have one controller, bottom you'll have your second controller there. You can go ahead and play Fortnite together like so. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.